All right. Good morning. Good afternoon. It's really afternoon. Today is not morning coffee with Tina. It is afternoon Topo Chico with Tina because I already drank my coffee. I got up, I got out here ready to do this morning. Let me get a drink. Ready to do this morning, and I had company, and then I had phone calls, and so we are well into the afternoon before I'm doing your daily video. But at least you're getting your daily video. So, what are we doing today? Well, already this morning I have cleaned my bathroom. I have come out here and we've started percolating, which I will show you in just a minute, our second set of skeins in our electric frying pan. I gotta tell you, I've never seen an indie dyer use an electric frying pan. They're probably pretty expensive, but we got lucky because Tony, who happens to be here, say hello, Tony, who happens to be here because we're dyeing Tony's 3 skeins of yarn. Tony, who happens to be here, is happened to have an extra electric frying pan with her park model when she moved in, and therefore we had a spare electric frying pan hanging around. And it works pretty much like a chafing dish, but it plugs in, which is awfully nice. And all you have to do is plug that bad boy in, bring it to a boil, turn it off, and it is slickety split. There's no leftover dye or anything. It's much less messy than the microwave method that I had been using. So, pretty pleased with that. I think next, this creative process, I spent all night trying to decide what my last 3 skein of yarns was going to be in the vat, and I think I've decided it's going to be stained glass window. That's what I'm going to shoot for. So a maybe bluish purple background with some wafts of different colors in it. We'll see if I pull it off. I have made a green, which I named in my head last night, but if you have a better name, let me know, for the trees, because it is a very, I'm turning my head to look at it right now. It's a very foresty color. I'm going to take you over there to look at it. So we're going to walk over, because I happen to have the best drying rack. It happens to be my front light pole. So here is, let me turn this way and see if this helps to get the green in. Yeah, there we go. It is the best green ever. Let me find a place. Oh, I'm going to do it on the concrete. There. I'm going to make you a pool of yarn so you can see it. Hopefully that will work. So it's a lovely tree green. Really nice green. Not the green I was hoping for, but it's a great green nonetheless. So we did that yesterday. We now have, I'm going to show you the percolating turquoisey green ocean, I don't know. I keep saying like mountain lake, but I don't know what this one's going to call. I don't know what this one's going to be named, but it's already claimed. Tony's claimed this for herself. So these 3 skeins, what are they going to become, Tony? Shirt? No clue. There is no decision as to what to make those, but I do know the general recipe. So I can recreate if there are any turquoise lovers out there. These are going to be $28 a skein. So if you are digging some mountain lake or want to rename it something else, that too can be available to you. I have 3 skeins left to dye, and then I'm going to have 10 more sent to me at least, because this has been kind of fun and it's low stress. So we are going to dye those next. So this has become my ritual. Ooh, the wind is something else today. Let me pull that back a little. The wind is crazy today. You can probably hear it. The palm trees are a-blowing full mast. And I started this video when the calm came. So it's calmer than it was. I brought all my eggs out today. Let me see where I put them, though. Oh, they're all in here. So here are the eggs, except for the first one. I lost the first one. And I'm ready to send these home with Tony, because Tony has a washer in her unit, to felt. I gotta find my first one, though, with embroidery on it. Alright, so we have cherry blossom. That egg is done. We have, I'm gonna quit come Easter. We have night sky, I think. It's the stripy one. Mine looks like a stripy Easter egg. We have blood orange, because that's what I called it. It's oranges. And you see my little splits at the joins. That's kind of why I want to felt this, because I'd like to have it tighten up a bit. Plus, Arne and Carlos said when you felt them, they're pretty fun. They get like a hard shell, which I think is nice. Pre-stuffed. And then this one is breaking ice, I think it's called. Or ice breakup. Melting ice, something like that. I like this one the best of all of them so far. I like the black. So today, woohoo, and Tony just finished some fingerless gloves. So that's good. This is what we've been doing while we wait for our yarn to heat up and cool down. Today I'm going to do crocus. And I'm going to do crocus because I like that black background so much. I'm going to use the black background again. I'm going to use green for the leaves. I think that color's thyme. And then I found some pink. So I'm going to use this pink for the flowers. Although a yellow crocus would be pretty. I wonder if I have some yellow in there. Don't know. I think I'm going to stick to the pink. It sounds like fun. A lavender would be good, but I'm fresh out of lavender. So that is the plan today. That is my egg today. And no coffee. Well, I had coffee. I drank it all. Here, I'll let you see my coffee. There's my coffee. It's empty though. I drank it right away. Too sweet. So I got my morning coffee in. Is it hot enough to touch?
Yeah, should I bring it?
If you want to drag the tote, yeah. So we have to rinse now. It's time to rinse. But 6 minutes, I think that's long enough. You're going to have to wait to see my Friday. Again, Friday I give you a roundup. I'm a little worried that I'm going to have nothing to talk about on Friday. So, in fact, it's like time for my live stream on Friday, only it's Wednesday. So, oh yeah, you can put them in there. Yeah, that's perfect. The other thing I did, thank you, Tony, for reminding me. The other thing I did is finally, like 2-3 weeks before we leave, I bought a flower pot and I'm going to do a little herb garden. Thankfully, there is a gal in the park who stays all summer, and she takes on babysitting. Why are you moving those? Oh, you're going to show me.
So you can show them.
Oh, all right. So I got some marigolds. I've got a little sage. We cook with herbs a lot. I have a thyme, a basil. The basil was like 3 Italian basils. My husband calls them basils. And herbs. Herbs and basils. Oh, no, we got lemon thyme. Well, that's not going to make very good chicken. Do you think? Will lemon thyme make decent chicken?
Yes, that's Greek oregano.
Oh, and oregano. We got oregano. So those are, and then the Italian trio. I don't know what that's gonna. Oh boy, we may have.
The chef's trio.
We may have 2 basils because it looks like the purple basil is a little wimpy. So I got to get these in the ground and watered up today. So that's on my agenda. And then I have an orange and a yellow marigold to keep the bugs at bay and to give it a little perk, a little pop. My herbs. So yeah, that's the day. Who knows? We may take off and go shopping, but thus far I have managed to keep my butt here and not go anywhere and escape. I don't know. I can't think of anywhere to go. I don't know. I kind of want to go to a fabric store that's going to close down, but they don't have any lace, so I really have no excuse. Anyway, have a good day. Stay caffeinated. I may have a second cup of coffee today. Ooh, if we go out, though, I can get an iced coffee. Ooh, I might go out. I discovered iced coffee yesterday. Holy moly.
Sounds good.
Not bad. Not bad at all. I had them wimp it out. I got a tall iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla. Ooh, it was nice. It was not too coffee-y. That's why I always used to drink iced tea, because the iced coffee I just had never developed a palate for. But I believe I'm hard up enough now that I did. So we may go out for that later. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. Bye. Oh, let's get my waving finger in there. Bye.